Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about those two products from vonshef. So this is the 1 liter Gooseneck Kettle in black matte, as you can see. Well, actually I'm just going to start with this one. Right, so it comes in this box, which I kind of like the packaging. Got their little social media buttons at the top. It is delivered in a plastic box, okay, but I just removed it because I did another video just before I began. Right, so this kettle is like this. I'm not going to sell you the product, I'm just showing it to you. Yeah, it comes with this thermometer at the top. You can see the orange here is the temperature you want to aim when you're boiling water to make coffee. The ideal temperature is 96 degrees, so we will be trying to get that in the second part of the video, where I'm gonna actually show you the products working and me boiling water and pouring it over coffee. Right, so, and this is the thermometer. That's how it works. Really just takes the temperature from the water once it's getting warmed up. I used it, you're gonna see it, I use it on a gas hob because that's what I've got in the kitchen. And this is the living room. This is the coffee dripper. Yeah, it's called coffee dripper. I'm hiding behind it. So the way it works is that you put coffee on here. You don't put any paper filter. I've actually used it before, so if you see any watermarks, it's because I've used it. It doesn't come like this. It comes all spotted clean. And you see the mesh is very, very thin. You can't even see me behind it, so it's very, very thin. Right, so the way you use it is you put coffee in here and then you place it on top, and then you place this on top of a mug. You're gonna see how it looks like. Yeah, so it's pretty easy to use. It comes with a manual as well. One important thing is that you cannot put this into the dishwasher. That would be crazy. Who puts a kettle in the dishwasher? Let's have a look. And let's go to the kitchen, and I will show you how this product works. Right, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm posting videos about my home, things I use at home. I've got a blog which I'm gonna put down the link below, and I've got also social media accounts if you're interested in checking those out. If you're interested on how the home looks like, I've got a home account where I put only pictures of my home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, really appreciate that. And if you like content around home styling, home decoration, the phone, yeah, feel free to subscribe. I post videos every week. I'm really trying to be good and to post videos every week. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next, hopefully. Bye.